guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. Oh, that's not the intro. Another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I feel like crap today. That's why I'm like all incognito. Okay, first question. Hey Vanessa, I hope you're feeling better. Oh, thank you. Oh, Deborah, you're so sweet. Seriously, you're so sweet. Quick question. A couple of my brands, namely Vince and True Religion, do not show up when I search for brands in my closet. I've relisted both items under those brands. I've also completely delisted and relisted them. The brand still does not show up in the search. Have you experienced this? Okay, so I would think, first of all, no. I have, but I had like a filter on. And that's the reason why I couldn't find it. So I'm thinking maybe that's the case with you. Make sure like your category is either under all, or like if you're looking for a men's specific item or a women's specific item, make sure it's the right category first, because that could totally be throwing things off. My guess is it has to be like, there has to be a filter on. So definitely check your search filters and make sure there's nothing on. And if you still have that issue, after, you know, the filters are all set, that's weird. I would maybe contact Poshmark and see what the deal is. Actually, I know. Okay, so wait. I know that there is kind of a glitch going on right now, or there was, because I saw somebody's video. Oh, great. Now I can't remember who it was. I saw somebody's video where they couldn't search for something in their closet. All right, I'm gonna have to do some research like while I'm editing this video, and I will link a video down below. I'll find the video. I'll link it down below. Somebody made a video saying that they couldn't search in their closet and there was a reason for it. I'll have to do research and I'll link that video down below. Next question. So sorry to hit you up with another question so quickly, but I have a sale being held hostage by Poshmark Authentication. I'm sure the item is authentic and they received it Monday, and today, Thursday, they sent me an email saying sorry for the delay and they hope to have an update in 24 to 48 hours, which means maybe not until Saturday, which means assuming they green light it and the buyer won't get it until next Wednesday or Thursday, and I might not get paid until the following Monday or Tuesday. Has this ever happened to you before? It is really frustrating to make a bigger sale and then not be able to get paid for ages. So no, it hasn't happened to me before, because I haven't sold anything like super high end on Poshmark. That is annoying. I totally agree. But I'm glad that they have that system in place. Obviously, you know, the item that you're selling is authentic, but I'm glad that they have that, because it gives the buyer peace of mind. You know, when you're spending a lot of money on Poshmark, you want to make sure you're getting legit shit. You know, they might be like bombarded with stuff right now and just well, either that or they might be short-staffed, and that's why it's taking a little bit longer. But I would maybe email them and ask them for an update, because yeah, that is frustrating to have to wait that long for money. I totally agree. But definitely contact them and just say, hey, you have an update? Because, you know, just tell them you're worried about it, because I mean, I would be if I sent something, you know, high end to them, and I want my money, you know. Totally agree. Next question. Hello there, love your videos. Thank you. My question is, have you ever swapped items, and do you know how many times does Poshmark allow this? Unfortunately, it happened to me twice the last month. Have you ever swapped items? Okay, at first I thought you were asking if you can do swaps on Poshmark, like if you can swap with another seller. But no, you're asking like if you sent the wrong item. I have numerous times, actually. I don't know how many times, but I would say probably more than 5. And I don't know if there's a limit. The amount of times that I've like swapped things or, you know, mistakenly sent out the wrong thing, it hasn't been within like a small time frame. It's been over the course of like almost 2 years. So yeah, I don't know if there's a limit. I don't know. But shit happens. People make mistakes. You know, if it happens again, if you contact them and just tell them like it was an honest mistake, then, you know, I don't think it's going to be an issue. I think it would be an issue if it happened like with every sale, you know, but Poshmark knows that people make mistakes and shit happens, and just shit happens. So yeah, I don't know if there's like if they have like a limit, like if they have like a set number. But I would think that even if they did, they would be understanding about it. I would hope so, at least. Okay, next question. Hi, Vanessa. I watch all your YouTube videos and love your content. I have a question. I have a buyer who bought from me and their package was returned. Poshmark refunded the buyer and activated my listing, and the buyer said she updated her address and repurchased the item, but when her shipping label came to me again, it had the same address that I had mailed her package to. She wants to know if she can privately send me her address to ship the item. how would you, oops, sorry, I'm getting Debbie. I just got a message from Debbie. I know you watch my videos. I just got your message from Poshmark. I'll read it in just a second. Okay. She wants to know if she can privately send me her address to ship the item. How would you handle it? Is it okay to have them email you? It sucks there isn't any private messaging system through Poshmark to handle these situations. So I wouldn't do any like private messaging or have her send you her address again, because it's not really private. I would contact Poshmark and say, hey, or actually I would have her contact Poshmark and say, hey, this is my new address. This needs to be updated. And I mean, she can do that herself. She can update her address through her Poshmark profile. So she can actually go into her purchase, and I just bought a bundle. I got a really good deal on this bundle too. So thank you, generous seller that gave me a good deal on this bundle. So yeah, she can just go into her bundle and actually tap on her, I'm not going to show you guys because it shows all my info. But she can tap on where it says ship to and edit, and she can either choose an address that she already has on file, or she can add an address, and then it'll send you an email with a notification. It'll say, hey, don't ship this. There's a new shipping label. Use this shipping label. And if there's still an issue, just contact Poshmark. Don't have her send you her email address privately, because then what would you do? Would you just write it in on the label? You know, like, would you create your own label? Then it just gets messy. So try to go through Poshmark, and hopefully they respond quickly. So that is it for this video. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. Did you guys see my new logo, by the way? I have a new logo. I'll put it, I just hit myself. I'll put it like over my face so you guys can see it. Yeah, I had someone on Fiverr make it for me, and it was like $5 for the person to make it. Like, if you guys need stuff done like that, this isn't a plug for Fiverr. I don't know why I'm like randomly mentioning that. Just like my new logo. If you use my code on Poshmark, again, it's KeepinItRad, you get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.